So, good morning, GTO sir, and all my friends. As Kailash Satyarthi said that there is no greater violence than to deny the dreams of children, and there is no greater atrocity than to snatch the dreams of children from their basic education. So, good morning, friends. Now I am going to speak on child labor. So, basically, child labor means the work which stop the children from their basic childhood and their potential and their dignity. Childhood is the best time to develop the physical and mental capacity towards fulfill the duty towards himself and nation. So childhood is the crippled by the ever growing menace of this child labor. So there are certain reasons of child labor, like first of all illiteracy, poverty, inequality, and population explosion, and they are not getting government scheme, or you can say government schemes are not reached to them. So main reason of this child labor is the economic condition of a family. Due to this, a child take the step to join any company or anything to earn money for their family, so they will be live a good life. So there are certain steps taken by our government to eradicate this child labor. So government say that it's not easy to totally eradicate the child labor, but they had taken a step like reducing the working hours of child, and provide provide some way fixed wage to them if they are going for job, and stop them from certain hazardous condition. And government also there in article in constitution there is article 24 which stop child below the age of 14 to work in any condition. And as you know that in constitution is it's also right that a child can take the compulsory education from 6 to 14 years age. And first of all the major step taken by our government to eradicate the child labor was child labor act 1986, and it is act related to stop the children from working in the hazardous condition. And there is NCLP, National Child Labor Project scheme. From this scheme government is doing the rehabilitation of the child labor and provide them some good education, and also provide them the vocational course so they can do the best in their life. And there is a child labor number 1098. If you find that child is a person is oppressing the child, so you can call on this number and they will take major step on this. At last I want to say that child is the backbone of our country. They will mold our future. They will constitute the future of a country. So I want to say that provide a good education for a children. Give them a pen for study, not a plate for wash. Thank you for listening me.